I just had a patient yesterday came in that has been in a car accident literally 4 years ago, and she went to a chiropractor that didn't fix her. They will do like electromodalities and Russian stem and possibly TENS and cold laser, whatever else it might be of PT modality instead of focusing on actually adjusting the patient. And this is the problem I see all the time. The patient comes in, she says, "Oh, I he never adjusted me like that. He would always just put this electric thing on me. He would put this massager gun on me. He would put this heat on me. Never actually adjusted the patient." That's crazy. Being a doctor of chiropractic and not even adjusting the patient, just doing modalities like you're a physiotherapist, that's to me is crazy. It's a waste of time, money, knowledge, and effort. You need to go to a chiropractor that knows how to adjust. That's all it is. You need to go to a chiropractor that knows how to diagnose a subluxation, how to palpate for subluxation, how to look for subluxations on x-rays, how to do thermography or neuroscope or something to be able to adjust you correctly. If you're not getting adjusted, stop and find another chiropractor because you're going to need it. Because if you got hit and something went out of alignment, that's called subluxation. The only way to get that fixed is to hit it again, but in the right direction, the right vector. That's called an adjustment, a chiropractic correction done by the chiropractor. Don't wait on it. Don't sit on it. Don't sleep on it because it will cause more inflammation and only get worse. Do something about it. I got your back, chiropractic.